Yo, wake up! 2026 is officially here, and the biggest show on earth is coming to the US of A. Forget what you know about American stadiums. We're flipping the script. And hey, since we're hosting, is this the year the USMNT finally brings it home? Imagine the scenes if America wins the World Cup in New Jersey. The world might actually explode. Anyway, talk is cheap. I'm gonna shut up so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Look at this.